Jakarta is super exciting. It's vibrant, modern, diverse, and surprising. After 2 days of business meeting and the astonishing realization of how much the city has improved after my visit in 2018, it's time to explore some historical spots. You cannot understand a nation if you don't know its past, traditions, and people. Today, I am exploring several amazing historical locations in Jakarta with my friends. The Jakarta Mosque, Jakarta Cathedral, Chinatown, a Buddhist temple, and President Habibi's Library. Let's dive in. Okay, beautiful people, I'm here with Katka and it's our day off today in Jakarta. And we plan to go explore a little bit here and there. Our first stop is the beautiful Jakarta Mosque, and just across the mosque there is a beautiful cathedral that resembles Sagrada Familia in its design a little bit. And then we'll probably go explore the Chinese market, the Chinese quarter, and if it starts raining we can actually go see the museum, National Museum. So that's the plan for today. Yeah, I'm super excited. Let's go explore Jakarta. Here we come. Okay, we're at the mosque. That's the entrance for the foreigners, and it's a little bit messy, interesting. There's a lot of food options over here. You can eat after or before you go to the mosque. It's pretty nice. Look at this, all this small house, really amazing. This is the beautiful mosque. It's said to be the largest in Southeast Asia, and it's really impressive. As a foreigners, we need to go register there. We're dressed up and we're ready to roll in the mosque right now.
How do you spell when you're foreigners in the mosque?
Fabio, are you excited?
We're very excited.
Very exciting, right? Let's go.
How hard we can pray.
Yeah. We're about to enter the mosque. It's pretty impressive, really big. Hope it's air conditioned so it's not too hot inside. I'm just kidding. I'm sure it's gonna be okay. Hey, are you ready? Let's go. A little Egyptian. The idea to build the Istiqlal Mosque emerged in the early 20th century as a response to a growing need for a grand religious monument to symbolize Indonesia's newfound independence. After gaining independence from colonial rule, Indonesia sought to establish its identity as a sovereign nation with diverse cultural influences. Thus, the mosque concept was born out of desire to celebrate this newfound freedom and unity among the country's diverse population. This is the beautiful mosque. Let me show you. So amazing. Look at this. How amazing, huge it is. It's the biggest mosque here in Southeast Asia. So beautiful. And what a better location for another religious building than just next to city's main square and across from the biggest Catholic cathedral. Okay guys, this is really beautiful spot. You can see the mosque and also the Catholic church in the back. It's really amazing. Look how beautiful it is. The architecture of the Istiqlal Mosque is a captivating blend of modern and traditional elements. Designed by a team of architects led by Frederich Silaban, the mosque's construction began in 1961 and was completed in 1978. The structure boasts impressive dimensions with a vast prayer hall capable of accommodating up to 200,000 worshippers during peak times. Upon entering the mosque, visitors are greeted by a sense of serenity and grandeur. The interior features stunning marble floors, intricately carved pillars, and elegant chandeliers illuminating the vast prayer room. The focal point of the interior is the mihrab, a niche indicating the direction of Mecca, adorned with ornate calligraphy and elegant tilework. Rising above the mosque skyline is a majestic minaret. It's my first time seeing a mosque with just one minaret. The idea here is to symbolize the divine oneness of God. Crowning the mosque is its magnificent dome, an architectural marvel that symbolizes the heavens and the unity of worshippers under one faith. The dome's diameter is 45 meters, hinting at 1945 when the Proclamation of Indonesian Independence was signed. Near the minaret on the south side, there is a large bedung, a traditional wooden drum crafted from coal skin. Unlike other Islamic communities worldwide, Muslims in Indonesia traditionally use the drum to accompany the call to prayer, known as adhan. Hello! 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 Bye! Oh my god, people are so nice here. They want to take photos with you and they're really nice. No privacy concerns, like everybody wants to be on your camera. It's not like in Europe, like, oh, why are you taking photos of my kids? They just want you to be on a photo with their kids. So yeah, pretty interesting. I'm excited about this. After spending hours in this beautiful mosque, let's cross the street and explore the Jakarta Cathedral. The Catholic church over here, we're gonna go explore inside. It's just across the mosque and it's pretty interesting. It's very rare to see like a huge mosque sharing one space with a big cathedral. So yeah, let's go explore. The Jakarta Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of Saint Mary of the Assumption, is a Roman Catholic cathedral just across the big mosque. It's one of the oldest churches in the city and serves as the seat of the Roman Catholic Archbishop of Jakarta. Small chapel over here, kind of a grotto. It's very nice. Found a small grotto over here with Mary, the mother of Jesus, and they have like a beautiful space here getting ready for some celebration, putting up chairs. But look at this. It's kind of like a Indonesian way of Jesus and three wise men. The cathedral's architecture is a stunning blend of neo-Gothic and traditional Indonesian influences. Its grand facade features beautiful carvings and towering spires, creating a majestic silhouette against the Jakarta skyline. Inside, visitors are greeted by a sanctuary of peace and beauty adorned with elegant stained glass windows, ornate altars, and majestic arches. This is their lovely museum. Unfortunately, there is a wedding into the cathedral, so we need to spare some time in the museum, and they have a lot of information of the Catholicism here in Indonesia, and let's go explore. One of the most striking features of Jakarta Cathedral is its towering spires, which reach towards the heavens and stand as symbol of faith and aspiration. There are three main spires in Jakarta Cathedral. The two tallest ones measure 60 meters tall and are located in front of each side of the portal. The North Tower is called Turis Davidica, or Tower of David. The South Tower is called the Ivory Tower, in which the whiteness and pureness of ivory describes the pureness of Virgin Mary. Old clock and a church bell are still functioning in the Ivory Tower. The third spire rises above the roof's cross intersection, measures 45 meters tall from the ground, and is called the Angelus Dei Tower. That's the cathedral from inside. It's really huge and beautiful, like classical Catholic cathedral. Another notable aspect of the cathedral is its vibrant community of worshippers who gather here to celebrate their faith and heritage. Throughout the year, the Jakarta Cathedral hosts various religious ceremonies, cultural events, and musical performances, inviting people of all backgrounds to unite in harmony and celebration. Whether admired from afar or experienced up close, the Jakarta Cathedral stands as a testament of the enduring beauty of faith and the rich cultural tapestry of Indonesia. Its timeless architecture, vibrant community, and spiritual significance make it a must-visit destination for everyone exploring the heart of Jakarta. Okay, beautiful people, our exploration continues. So far, Jakarta is really amazing. I'm totally wet, as you can see. That's not a problem. I have an extra t-shirt in the bag. The cathedral was amazing. The mosque was also amazing. So now we're going to a Buddhist temple, but before that we're gonna stop and have some coffee because it's so hot right now here. But it's normal. So let's go. Let's cross! Oh my God! Woohoo! My next stop is Jakarta's Chinatown, the largest in Indonesia. It's a bit far from the typical tourist spots, but it's worth exploring. Known locally as Glodok, it's a vibrant area filled with bustling markets, temples, and historical sites. The streets are bustling with Chinese goods, fruits, and veggies. It's crowded, colorful, and exciting. Guys, it's so overwhelming. It's just so much happening over here. Very busy. Let's try to cross. Careful, Katka.
Don't really go fast.
Wow, this didn't age well. This blue building, oh my god. Okay, this is Chinatown. And just look at the clouds. Looks like it's gonna rain any moment, so we're in a rush to go find something to eat and maybe find a shelter during the rain. It's the rainy season, so it rains for 2-3 hours every day. So far it was not too bad. Let's go check it out and see if we can find a nice spot for some food. I think the unicorn, and guys, let me show you. This is the dragon. This is the year of the dragon, so here we go. As we've been out for some time, our first logical stop was getting some food at the covered market. There is so much food to choose from. Most of the foods were new to me, so fixing my mind on something took a while. Shopping enthusiasts will delight in Glodok's numerous markets and malls, offering everything from traditional herbs and spices to modern electronics at budget-friendly prices. Bargain hunting is a norm, so be prepared to negotiate. You can definitely spend a day exploring the area, but our visit was cut short due to the rain. With its lively ambience and diverse offerings, Jakarta's Chinatown promises an unforgettable experience worth capturing on camera. Nested in the heart of Glodok, the vibrant epicenter of Jakarta's Chinatown, stands the venerable Vihara Dharma Jaya Temple, a cherished icon steeped in over 2.5 centuries of rich history and cultural significance. With a legacy dating back an impressive 265 years, this temple radiates a vibrant red hue. Its traditional facade is adorned with beautiful depictions of dragons and birds, gracefully perched upon its roof. Originally established by the Chinese community in the 18th century, the temple holds a special place in the hearts of worshippers and locals alike. In recent years, the temple has undergone expansion to accommodate its growing congregation, with a newly two-story structure added behind the original building. Despite these modern enhancements, the essence of this temple remains rooted in its timeless traditions and unwavering devotion. Finally made it to the Buddhist temple. It's really beautiful. It's totally different stuff from everything that I've seen. It's more like Chinese Buddhist, for example, in Korea. The pantheon is different and the color scheme is different. Everything is differently set up. But yeah, it's really beautiful and I highly recommend to come check it out. Nestled within the serene enclave of Patra Kuningan in South Jakarta lies a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration, the B.J. Habibi Library. This is the library building of the ex-president of Indonesia, one of the presidents of Indonesia. It's really beautiful, and as you can see, we're here in the garden. This remarkable library is a testament to the intellectual legacy of the late third president of Indonesia, B.J. Habibi, and his beloved wife, Hasri Ainun Besari. Guys, look at this. This is the President Habibi Library. Very beautiful place. The library is built in the historic residence, originally designated as the official presidential house, serving as a testament to Indonesia's rich political and architectural heritage. With thousands of books spanning diverse fields such as science, culture, politics, arts, history, and technology, the B.J. Habibi Library is a heaven for seekers of wisdom and enlightenment. Before passing away in September 2019 at the age of 83, B.J. Habibi expressed his wish for his private library to open to the public echoing his lifelong commitment to serving the community. It was a real honor to visit the library and meet the president's son, Ilham Habibi. The collection of technology-related books and miniature models of commercial planes witnesses B.J. Habibi's passion for developing Indonesia's aviation industry. That's all from my short historical exploration of Jakarta. I'm truly impressed by what I've seen, and I can't wait to show you my coffee shop exploration in my next video. Stay tuned!